Well, we're here in this house and we have a lot of your mother's art around. When did she start doing painting or drawing?
I think she did it all the time, because the paintings in the bedroom were when I was a little girl, and I think she did it between books, as you know, if she didn't have an idea for a book or she was sort of cogitating, she would paint, and she always liked to do that. And she did also other forms of arts and crafts like the mural, and also I don't have any room to hang it up here, but she also did tapestries, like full-length tapestries, in which she would sew by hand. She was very creative. If she wasn't writing, she was doing something else like that. And the sculptures she did as well. She would stand at an easel and she would sort of, do her drawing and erase lines that were wrong and redo. I mean, she was good. I mean, she really put her heart into it. And this mural she did in the basement of our house. How she knew how to do a mural, I don't know. But and the whole basement was full of the little tiles, and you have to put something on it's like on the background so that they'll stick. And you have to know, like, it's complicated. And she really, when she was doing this, that's all she was doing. When she was doing her tapestry, that's all she was doing. Like, she was very involved. She had an amazing ability to concentrate on things, which I really admire, because I start doing one thing, then I get distracted and do some. So she wasn't like that.